Hello, welcome to this part of this training. In this part of the training, I'll be taking you through on how to purchase a domain and hosting for the web design training because without this, you won't be able to build your website. So, I will send you a link to your DM. So, that's the link you'll be using to purchase your domain. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is to click on the link. I already have the link, I've copied it right here. So, just click on the link here. I just click on the link through the DM to bring it to your Chrome or your default browser. Then I click on go. So as you can see, I'll be purchasing my domain name through Bluehost because this is the recommended and the best the best company providing a web hosting. So that is why I recommend it. So you could also get it from Bluehost. So the first thing I'm going to do is to host your site. So this button here, the first button here is the one you are clicking. Okay, so click on host your site. Okay, so let it load finish. So we're going with the 12 month because the least we can buy with the 12 months is the least we can buy with the time frame is 12 months. So which is a year. So their domain is how should I say this? Their domain is always in years, like either you buy a year hosting and or a 2 years hosting or 3 years hosting. Okay, so you're going with the 12 years hosting and make sure you're on the basic side here. Okay, because something we are using for training, not for a client. So, and this, if we want to do the same thing also, always follow the same process to buy for your client. Also, after you have learned web design and you want to work for people, just click on the link I sent to you. Also, then you use that to buy your hosting, web hosting for your client also. So just click on this to you click on this to help you purchase your domain. Like, make sure it is basic you are going for, then click on select. So here now we want to register a new domain. Since you don't have a domain, okay, so you have to create a new domain, and before you create a new domain you have to search whether the domain has not been taken. So and you use this create a new domain side here to search whether the domain is available for purchase. Okay, so assuming the domain I want to use is Sonny Shamsuddin or sonnys.com. Let me check whether it is available. The domain S is not available for registration, so that one with the alternative suggestion. Okay, can you see Sunny S I inputted before is not available, so I have to use something else. So I'll thinking of going with something else from what is here. Okay, let's go with dot blog. Okay, so you put in this account information, your first name, your last name, your business name. Let me use Sonny's S. This else blog. Okay, so 7 that. Okay. So select another country code. Okay, doesn't need. Okay, so follow the process. Can you see package information? Basic $35.4 primary domain, and let's encrypt. Then so we've chosen, so we can see the total here is $142. So you have to uncheck some things here. You uncheck this site lock security, you uncheck this, you uncheck this. So we are okay with what the by deselecting the domain privacy plus protection, you are making your contact information available to the public. uh, just cancel it, you don't need it since it's just something we are using for our domain registration. 。 . 。 。 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 . 。 .
。
Like we choosing something we shouldn't choose. Shouldn't be having $22.99 since you are going for the basic, or is it because I'm using blog? Okay, so let me just go back. I don't want to use blog. SSSSonny.com available. So make sure you're using .com. Okay. Sure. So I think I've signed in with Google already. So as I've showed you, I changed it to SSSSonny.com. Okay, because this domain is free, but I'm only paying for hosting, as you can see. Then in the past video of .blog, we are paying for a domain, but in this one I'm not paying for a domain. The domain is free. Okay, so you're just going to fill in all these things. Okay, you filling in all these things. Oh, Sonny Shamsuddin. Let's say blog, Shamsuddin's blog. That is my company's name. So okay, all right. So everything has been filled. So as I said, you uncheck cancel, you uncheck, and you uncheck. So as you see, that's rounded up to $3.40 for the amount we'll be using for the hosting. Okay, so that's the cost for purchasing the hosting. So after filling all this to make sure the information they are correct, and you should know all this information. Okay, then after that you can now move to the payment information. After you've confirmed that you are paying 35.40 cents, so $35.40 rather. So come to the payment information. So you can only pay with card. So if any one of you have issues with your card, please kindly reach out to me so we can use a better another option for this. Okay, so you are paying with card. So I the card you can use are only Visa and MasterCard. You can't use what's this thing called? You can't use Valve, this card. You can only use Visa and MasterCard. So after by doing that, you put in your that card number, that 16 digits in front of your card number. Then the CVV2 code is the code at the back of your card, like that 3 digit code at the back of your back at the back of your card, that is below one authorized signature. You see it there. Okay, then the expiring date of your card, and provide, and that's all. You now click on I have read and agreed to Bluehost auto renewal, and click on submit, and that's all. So thank you for this, and your card will be debited and the domain will be purchased for you. And with that, we start the training with that immediately. Thank you for having me on this particular training. See you on the next side.